Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to do some stamping with this beautiful butterfly plate that I have. This is by Beauty Big Bang XL068. Lots of beautiful butterfly images. I'm definitely playing with this. I'll be playing with this over here because I already started. I'm really sorry, but I couldn't help myself. I could not help myself because this beautiful multicolored butterfly here, which turned out gorgeous, stunning. And then we got the corner here, the roses, and the black stamping polish with the, where is it? The cherry red, sparkly cherry red glitter pixie. I've got 5 of those colors out. I've got the golden yellow, the emerald green, the berry blue, the blue peacock, and the red cherry. We've got our featured sticky stamping polish, black and white, which I'm still giving away. Each week, I'm going to draw somebody's name. That's going to be in a separate video, though. Must be in the USA. You can enter under any SheModern Saturday video. Enter me, USA. You must be 18 years of age or older. Be a subscriber. Live in the USA with the USA mailing address. Share this video. Take a screenshot, whatever you want to do with it. I prefer not on Facebook because I don't go on there, and if you tag me there, I'm not going to know about it. So please tag me on Instagram, just.nailedit. Excuse me. I've got my reinforced stamper, which is beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Where to put the cap. I was going to mess with the raw pigments, but changed my mind. We're going with the glitter pixies. I've got 5 nails here painted in black and white. My plate, my stamper. Let me clean my stamper, my scraper, because I was already playing with it. Everything's good to go. I want to do this image here. I'm really excited about this image. I think it's going to turn out really nice. I'm going to stamp it in white. Can't wait for this one. Very excited. Okay. Beautiful pickup. Remove the excess. You can use your card. You can use yours. Glitter roller. Love this image. And it's going to be beautiful on a black nail. There we go. I'm going to get my palette and my pixie glitters. With the sticky stamping polish, you have a little bit of a window, not a huge window. Whoops. So I'm going to tap in where I want what, and then whoopsie, gonna dab them all in together. This is the berry blue for the butterfly. I go back in over here with the golden yellow. And I'm just gonna start tapping. I'll do my green. You can wipe your nail on your finger on your paper towel, on your lint roller. Tap, tap, tap. I pray this comes out. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hope I wasn't framed down here. Let me see. Was I? Probably not. Terribly sorry. Let me adjust my... I got a problem, Houston. Let me clean my plate, move my napkin up a little bit further. Clean my lint roller. We have 2 more nails to do. I want to do another butterfly on this nail, and I want to do one go to the opposite direction. Whoops. So that means this one right here. Get my card and remove the excess. Sorry, I need to go out of frame to get it all. Okay, here we go. Beautiful pickup, beautiful coverage, transfer every single time. Let me do this. See where I went with what? I think I'm just gonna go with the berry blue and the golden yellow. I love this blue. I think it's shoot. I don't think it's shoot. I just really love the color. Here we go with our butterflies. I think that is stunning. Really, really beautiful. Remove my plate. Clean the scraper a little bit there. Clean my... Make sure you clean your plate, everything, every single time you use them. Your scraper, your stamper, your plate. Okay, we got 2 nails to do. I want to do one of the butterfly images here. So I'm going to put that on the black nail. Let's see, where'd my scraper go? I'm going to use my lint roller here. Sorry, I need to see better. Use the tip of your lint roller, just roll it on over, get as close to your image as you possibly can. And with the reinforced stamper, what is beautiful about it, it's not going to cave in on you when you're doing your nails, no matter how hard you push. I was doing some short stilettos, oh my god. And it tore my stamper. I have got a tear in it right here. I doubt that you can see it, but there is a tear right there. Right, wait, where is it? Right here. Right there on the screen. Yep, there you go. So we're gonna go in with our blue pixie or blueberry. We do it in different spots on the nail. Our golden yellow. Our cherry red. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Gotta be careful if it's cherry red now. It's gonna come out at you fast. And I'm also gonna go and oh, that was the blue peacock, my bad. This is the blueberry right here. Just gonna fill her in. I'm gonna take my hand right in the middle of the nail and I'm gonna kind of rub it back and forth. This is going to be so multicolored. It's going to be beautiful. I'm going to press it down into. Here we go. I love, love, love the sticky stamping polish. There are so many possibilities. We need to do something out in the black. Take my... Okay. Oh. We need to do our flowers over there. So I'm going to go in with the black sticky stamping polish. Love these. I think this is a great invention. I get a beautiful pickup every single time, no matter how lightly the plate is etched. It's beautiful. It works out perfectly. I can't say that about any other stamping, sticky or otherwise. Ew, I should have went on the curve with that. I'm gonna get... Okay. With being on the edge of the plate, I should have scraped differently. Sorry about that. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful pickup. I just need to remove the excess. See how close I get in with my scraper. There we go. Oh, that is beautiful. Minus what's on my finger. Beautiful, beautiful transfer. I did the other one in the cherry pixie, or the red cherry. So I'm going to do the same here. Should have did green. We're going to tap in with some green. Rub it a little bit. And here we go with our set. There are so many possibilities with the sticky stamping polish. You can use pigments, glitters, raw pigments. Whoopsies. I'm going to pause, get cleaned up, and we'll be back to top coat. Alright, we are back. I'm going to use SheModern Shiny Glossy No Wipe Gel Top Coat. And we're going to give these a full cure. Check out SheModern.com and their catalog for all your nail art sticky stamping polish needs. They have colored glue gel, colored top coats. They have satin, matte. They have pixie glitters. You can also find some of their products on Amazon. On Amazon, you cannot use my discount code though, only on the website itself. That is nailed at 67, all in caps. I will put that at the bottom of the screen, and it's always in the description box, along with all my other discount codes. I think these turned out really beautiful. Really beautiful. Beautiful. So we're going to pop these in. Give these a full cure. Whoops. And we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. While those are in the lamp, I want to talk again about the white and black sticky stamping polish by SheModern. This is a great product. Don't forget to enter my giveaway for a set of these. I will be giving a set away every Saturday, only to subscribers. If you are new, please enter. I greatly would love to give you a set. as well as all my regular subscribers and supporters. I thank you for being here. Thank you for all your love and support, not just for me, but for SheModern and for Tina for SheModern.com. But don't forget, enter the giveaway for these. Enter under any SheModern Saturday video. Put enter me. So here we are. Here are our finished nails. I think these turned out really, really beautiful. The glitter pixies, you could do so much with them. And the multicolor, I mean, look at these butterflies right here. Those are just stunning. Loving the red roses and the red vines. And I only did one layer of top coat. You do not feel right there in the middle idea, but I don't think that's the glitter. But they're just beautiful. I think this turned out really nice. I'm very proud of it. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts and let me know what you think of the manicure today and the sticky stamping polish. If you've had a chance to try them out, let me know. Very curious to hear your thoughts on them and see what you think, because I think you get a perfect pickup every single time, no matter how the plate is etched. You can do multiple things with them. You can put foils over the top of them, glitter, pigment. It's just, there's a lot of possibilities out there. A lot of possibilities. So, leave me a comment, enter the giveaway. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and click all that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important I feel I need to share with you. Well, that is it for today. We will see you next Saturday. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.